This video is going to be discussing different activity types you can add to courses on Alicanto. Starting where we left off in the course hierarchy video, we have to first select at least one module or course to be mandatory, and I'll do so by checking the box. You should also set the minimum score field for each modular course, and the value you enter here will depend on how you set up the scoring for your activities. I'll set the minimum score to be 10 for this module, then click the next button at the bottom to start adding new activities. If I click on Show Activities, we can see that there are no activities within Module 1 currently. To publish the course, all modules must contain at least one activity. To add an activity, click on the Add Activity button. Let's start off by selecting Alicanto Library Asset Activity and then clicking the Create a New Activity button. Here, we should enter a name for the new activity, which will be displayed to users in the course. Alicanto Library Asset Activities will display existing content from the library, so you can type in the name of the asset that you would like to attach to the activity and select it from the auto-completing drop-down menu. Then you can click on the next button and your activity will be saved. If you want to add an activity that you created before, you can click on the Activities Bank button. Here, you'll see a list of existing activities which you can search and filter through, and then add the selected activities at the bottom of the pop-up. Now, I'm going to add a different type of activity, the question set. Question sets are highly customizable, so I'll add a link to official H5P resources with all the information you might need about them. Once you start creating a question set, enter a name and title and set the pass percentage. I'll set the pass percentage to 100, so users will be required to get all questions correct. Below this, you'll see a list of questions with only one entry for now. Let's select the question type, which I'm going to make a true or false question. Next, set the title and question fields, then choose whether the correct answer should be true or false. So this is true, so we'll leave it as so. Now that we've finished with this question, we can add another question by clicking on the button above. We can make this one a multiple choice question and set the title and question name as we did before. Okay. For this type of question, we need to add the options that users will have when doing this question and set which one is correct. So this one would be correct. And you can add more options with this add option button here. Once we finish with that, we can scroll to the bottom and click on the next button. To go back and edit or delete activities that you've already added to a module, simply click on the corresponding buttons next to the activity that you would like to do them to. To preview one of your activities, click on the activity name, and you'll get a pop-up with an interactive preview as if you were completing the activity yourself. So this has been a short video talking about different activity types and how to add them on Alicanto. Thanks for watching.